thumb on the flat part of your hook. Your pointer finger is going to hold your loop steady. Your other hand has two jobs. One, to hold your yarn. Two, to hold your bottom chain like that. The first step is called yarning over or yarn over, which means wrapping your yarn around the back of your hook towards you so it sits nicely in your hook like this. Then grab your chain, turn your hook so it's sideways and pull through. Face you, scoot that loop, hold the loop steady, yarn over, wrap around from the back, yep, hold your chain, turn, pull through. Scoot the loop, steady, yarn over, always towards you, hold the chain, turn your hook, pull through. Scoot the loop, hold the loop, yarn over. See how I'm holding that yarn with my fingers and I'm holding the chain steady with the other? It's tough, but you're doing a few things at once here. Steady, yarn over, hold the chain, sideways hook, pull through. Steady, yarn over, hold the chain, sideways and pull. That's enough for me. Keep watching and keep chaining. Your hands should not be clenching. You should be very relaxed. If you're clenching real tight, give your hands a break and scoot them for a moment.